name is Superior Evangelist Kola Adeyemo. I'm taking this opportunity to thank people all over the world that have witnessed the 29th anniversary, adult harvest anniversary of Celestial Church of Christ, Ileri-Oluwa Parish, Brooklyn, New York. I'm very grateful to God Almighty for sparing our lives. It has been a long preparation, but God has been very, very merciful to us. We thank the member of the church. They have been very upstanding. We thank the committee that has stood steadfast, working day and night. And I pray in God's infinite mercies that the God blessing will continue to empower and grace all people that have contributed financially, morally, and their time too for this harvest. Celestial Church of Christ, Ileri-Oluwa Parish is moving forward. I want to use this opportunity to thank our shepherd, Superior Evangelist Adeyemo. They have been directing the affairs of the church since he joined this fold. There has been a lot of transformation. There have been a lot of new ideas that have been coming in. We thank God that the church is moving forward. The membership is increasing. The people in the community are witnessing the mighty hand of God. This is our goal. We have a long plan for this church moving forward. We have completed our cathedral. Hopefully we will move into the cathedral maybe in the next few months. We give God thanks for this. We thank our children, our mothers, and everybody that has participated. We thank all our invited guests that have graced the occasion, people that have spent their money. I pray that by the time they return back to their different destinations, God's blessing will continue to be with them in all their lives. This is the beginning. It's a new idea. This is a new management and a new direction. And I hope that now that we are laying a very solid foundation for how this church will move forward, God will continue to guide our ways. God will continue to guide our footsteps so that we'll be able to do His will. And this is all that I pray for, that in the nearest future, we will be able to see something bigger than this. This is a very successful harvest. And I thank God for that. I thank all the people that have graced the occasion. And I wish them more blessing. The 29th harvest, and as we are going to celebrate more harvest in the land of living, God will continue to prosper us. All this I pray in the name of Jesus Christ our Lord.